Audrey for care, care for animals, respect for the earth. Animals endangered. Today I'm going to talk about Sumatran tiger. Do you know there's only 400 Sumatran tigers exist today? In the wild, Sumatran tigers are found only on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. Sumatran tigers are the smallest surviving subspecies and are distinguished by heavy black stripes on their orange coat. The Sumatran tigers are carnivorous animals whose diet includes various types of deer and wild pigs. The destruction of habitat is considered the greatest threat to the survival of Sumatran tiger, followed by poaching. It was listed for critically endangered. Especially poaching for trade is responsible for over 78% of estimated Sumatran tiger deaths. These tigers were then sold to gold shops, souvenir shops, and pharmacies. Oh no! Please don't ever buy or sell animal parts for souvenirs. Shame on you! Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel to support Audrey for Care. I would like to end this video with my favorite quote from Audrey Hepburn. You have two hands, one for helping yourself, the other for helping others. Bye bye, to bayo!